What's going on, guys? We're in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's February 2025. We got a new piece coming in. It's going to be a custom firefighter retirement piece. It's going to be on an epoxy inlaid longboard. Super excited about it. It's going to be really cool. We're going to show you step by step on how we accomplish this look. Stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. All right, guys, I got this spalted maple. I got to cut off the live edge. I got to get a straight piece because I wanted to be able to sit in the laser nice and crisp. So I got to cut these live edges. It's a little difficult because you can't use the fence because you have like a concave shape, but I'm gonna do the best I can on this guy. All right, so we got two straight edges on it. It's somewhat straight. The live edge kind of gave me a little bit of work with the table saw, but I got a good shape now. I'm gonna plane some of this down, hand plane some of this down to get it ready for our custom longboard retirement piece that we're gonna make. It's gonna be roughly about 10 inches by 33 inches long. All right, we got this thing cleaned up pretty good. It's pretty smooth. You can see the spalted fungus type deal that makes this wood very pretty. Now the hard decision is whether I want to use that side or this side. I don't really like this knot right here. I think I can work around it, but it's come out pretty good. I'm gonna put it in the engraver to get the shape, and then I'm gonna have to cut it out by hand to get the surfboard look, but that's what that board came out to be. What's going on, everybody? Want to take a moment to thank everybody for your support. Epic WoodworX 2025. We're super excited about it. We got a lot of new products coming out. We just launched our new website. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. We can't wait for you to see all these cool projects we got coming out. Enjoy the rest of the video. Here's the latest project that we're working on. It's a custom longboard for a chief in Garner. We are going to engrave this and then inlay it with an epoxy resin. And then the center part will be stained almost like an inset inlay. It's gonna look pretty sweet. We're over here starting the engrave on this spalted maple. I think it's gonna look pretty awesome. We'll probably make 2 passes on this, so that way we have a deep pour for the resin. Epoxy over to lock in the resin epoxy that I've already had for the inlays. So this goes on, and this is just clear all the way over top. We'll clear the whole board, and then we'll let it level out. It'll fill in all the voids. I might have to make some more. We'll see how it goes as far as coverage. I didn't want to make too much and have to throw a lot away. So to rewind for a second, I want to make sure I let you know. So I did a blue epoxy inlay, metallic inlay, and then I did a dark navy epoxy inlay where the surfer is, and actually dabbed in some of the pearl blue epoxy to give a swirl look. Then obviously the video before, you saw the clear go over top. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and incorporate the other components. We have the Garner Fire Department custom logo that will go on here as such. We'll put Fire Chief Matt Pool's name across the top is kind of the layout we're going for. His hire date, which is 1995. The retire date, which is 2025. And then the ISO class 1 rating, and we'll kind of shift this over just a little bit, and the CPSE. And then that will be our final piece once I get everything tacked up. Customer has approved, and I think this piece came out spectacular.